Hello and welcome to Collocations. Today we will be looking at more collocations related to work. Collocations are just a natural combination of words. When we use them, we show the listener that we are very fluent in English. Collocations are important because they are a natural and accurate way of speaking and writing in English. They increase your range of vocabulary. And they are also helpful if you are taking the IELTS test, as they are mentioned in the banned descriptors for writing and speaking. So let's have a look at today's collocations related to work. The pay wasn't brilliant, but I could make a living. Then the school began to go through a difficult period and had to lay off staff. I soon had a substantial volume of work, private students and marking exams, and was able to earn a good living. I worked hard and I was soon moving up the ladder. Okay, try and have a think about what you think those collocations mean. Okay, let's have a look at their meanings. So make a living means to earn enough money to live. And it can also be used just to refer to your job and how you earn your money. She makes a living as a hairdresser. Lay off staff means to dismiss staff because there is no work for them. We can also use sack staff and fire staff. Earn a good living means to get paid a lot of money so you can live a comfortable life. And moving up the ladder means getting promoted. Okay, so let's review the collocations from today. We have make a living, lay off staff, earn a good living, and moving up the ladder. Try and practice those collocations in your speaking and your writing. And if you would like more lessons with me, you can contact me at the email address on your screen. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.